Good afternoon. I looking now to LGBT, possible conspiracy to their mind the age of past generation of Noah, because Noah built an ark for 120 years. Now we are talking about nanomilliseconds now, at least now happening ahead from our mind. The thinking of power from God, the computer mind. So with the issue now, doing by government to the couple or partner gay or lesbian to have no sex. This is an act of God, an act that we can see wrong, because you can correct wrong, but you cannot correct right to be wrong. That is the power of God to sustain our race or our humanity. So with this solid matter of body, our soul liquid, and the gas for spiritual matter, we have to have a time, a duration time to be all equal here. Let us give us a government pass or a government duration of matter that concern to sex, like masturbation. We have to put that on time. We give them time because we don't own the body here. Our body is not on us. So we have to deny ourselves. But for the liquid as soul libido, you have to matter to clean that or to change the poison egg or sperm cell. The government should face the truth here that they have to have a time for making a law or covenant that the libido will be out on time of their of their mandate to people to have a allowance for once a month or once a week or once at 2 weeks or once at 3 weeks. So we matter no con, no con, no contradiction to the our mind and society because of abusing. That is not also I can say that is not legalism, but the nature categorize us to level of age. So we understand when we do masturbation or you're your way to help the world here. So about link with the body here, we have to exercise here to out our perspiration of bad bacteria, bad bacteria, bad particles of the body like that. And about gas here, the spirit power of matter to help us because we are voyaging universe. We have any other element that we don't understand, not the air component or element. So LGBT, we have more time to change here. We have to allow the power of his life to see which is our priority now. Let be all equal here for dignity, so we have no problem regarding life of evil again here. No sex allowed. Get your get your mind to understand the world, or to understand his mind. Our life giver here, the Lord Jesus Christ from the past. Now he's alive now. He's awake now again. So don't press him to get angry because nature is following me here. At least I've done my part here, whether which you choose. But I'm here to counter the lost people because of child and child psychology or child molestation, child, child therapy of time. We all time here for God, and we cannot be disturbed here. No distraction of God gender. Thank you. Good day. Good night. Good day.